everybody! So yesterday we talked about should you give a fuck about what other people say about you and should it stop you from really moving on. And today I talked about yesterday as well about the imposter syndrome. Now I'm going to talk about it very deeply today because I know that's something that stopped me for even started. And not just me, I heard about a lot of people that asked me around it and students that I had that talk about that they afraid to go live, they're afraid to do videos, and videos convert about 80% more. So why should we not do videos and interact with our audience? And why should you put like a break on it and say no, I won't do videos, I'm too afraid, I'm not feeling comfortable, I don't have enough information to give, I'm not good enough. And that's where the imposter syndrome come in. The imposter syndrome is there when we think we are not good enough, when we think we are not worthy enough, when we think I don't have a lot of what to say, I don't know, I don't have enough knowledge, I need to learn more. Hey, screw that. If you ever solve a problem in your life, that means you already have the knowledge about what you say. And how can we actually crush that imposter syndrome once and for all? So basically, is the first step is just figure out is what you do align with your belief. Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is, for example, if for example you're saying that you're specialized, and I did that at first, and that's why I felt uncomfortable with that, that's why I felt not going on videos for a very long time, because I set myself as an expert in branding. Now I wasn't. I had a lot of knowledge about branding, I learned a lot about branding, I had done courses about branding and marketing, but I felt like I don't have enough, I don't know enough about it because I didn't do it. And that's where the imposter syndrome came in and kind of shut me off from even doing videos or even getting out public or talk with people or bringing students or whatever it is, because that wasn't my specialty, that wasn't my zone of genius. And when you are not in your zone of genius, when you try to be someone you're not, that's where the imposter syndrome kicks in and actually doesn't let you to go on with what you believe. It's like trying to lift Thor hammer when you're not worthy for it. It's like you don't know enough about it, you never tried it, and you still want to do it. So no, hold your horses. First of all, when you go with something that you just started out and you want to help someone, you want to coach someone, even if you hadn't had any students, that's okay. But don't come in and say, hey, I will help you to get $5,000 in a month. And you don't know how to do it. Don't do it because it's not ethically, and not just not ethically, it's also there you feel the imposter syndrome, and when you try to sell someone, you're getting that block and that person feel it and you will never sell. Maybe after a year or so you will start to sell one person. But then the student won't feel good with that because he knows that you didn't do it, because people feel when you lie. Let's say your spouse lying to you, you will feel that she or he lying to you, right? Same here. When you are going with the zone of genius, so the first step is go with your zone of genius. The things that you already solved in your life. Where, let's say you lost weight, you have passion for it, you love doing a lot of exercise, so go with that. Or if you love to help people to rise up and you love to coach them through and get more confidence, and that, go with that coaching. Whatever it is that you already solved, if you know how to get them, for example, to be more productive, go with the things that you know you already solved in your life and then translate it to business. Translated that passion into a coaching program or a product, if whatever it is that you want, but focus on your zone of genius. Okay, so that's the first step. The second step, and hey, before we go to the second step, write down, comment below, what is your zone of genius? Because when you write it down, you become aware to what is your zone of genius, and you know where to focus on. And when you write it down, it's in front of your eyes, then you're on it. So if you write it down, you also show yourself that you're committed. So just comment below, what is your zone of genius? What is the thing that you already solved in your life and you want to focus on? Okay, so second step, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just ask yourself and be honest about what you're doing. Be ethically. Because when you try to fake it, people will feel it. So don't try to fake it. Go with your truth. Go with the things that you are known for. Or don't try to change your personality to the audience, because that's not you. And when you try to copycat some other mentors, you actually got fucked up, because that's not you and it will never be you. You are you. So focus on your things. Focus on being honest with your audience. For example, if you're just starting out, say it. Don't be ashamed of it. Don't be ashamed of it. For example, I'm not a big shot. Hey, but I'm still working. I'm still here. I'm a mentor. I'm doing my things here. And I know I'm active. So I'm not some big shot, but I'm doing. And that's when you're being honestly, when you be authentically, ethically, people will listen. People will love that. People also, no one loves liars, okay? When you try to fake it, it will show up. I tried to fake it at first. I admit it. I tried to fake it. That's why I couldn't keep on the videos. I couldn't keep up with products, because it wasn't me. So show yourself, show up, and show that you are you, and don't try to fake it. If you want to control tonality, awesome. So focus on controlling the tonality. That's not changing who you are. That's being the best version of yourself. But if you're trying to be a copycat, then you're shooting your leg. So let's focus up. What is your zone of genius? Comment below. Focus up, see, become aware to it. And the second step is be honest. For example, who you are. So let's do something like that. You're here in my Facebook group, or if you're watching on YouTube, just click the link and come here to the group, because here it's a safe place. You're welcome to do videos and practice here before you go live on your thing, on your business. Try it, because like I said, it's a safe place here. You're welcome to go on and try your own thing and see how it works. So the second step, go live, go with a video right here in the group, go do something, and here you will be accepted, because that's, like I said, a safe place here. So you're welcome to just go ahead, do something there, do something new, get out from your comfort zone and be honest. Okay, so let's sum up. First, and I see people coming in, hello everybody. So first, go with your zone of genius. What is your zone of genius? Comment below, become aware to it, and then aim it with your content. And second step, go live right here in the group. That will be your safe place to practice here. And if you love this content, just give me a thumbs up there. I know that you love that content. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. And before I go, one more thing. If you are going to do live today or this week, just comment below, heck yeah, that I know that you're serious and you're going to do this, and you're not waiting for something to happen or fall from the sky. You're ready for it, you're going for it. So just comment below, heck yeah, and let's rise together. Okay, so again, have an amazing and productive day, and I really appreciate you for being here and invest your time with me, and I will see you tomorrow. That was live on my group. Have again a great and productive day.